This is Heroes Assembly. My name is Africa Awu. You can as well call me the grandson of our revolutionary ancestors. Today, I will be talking about Association of Sleeping Leaders. Over the years, our political leaders have blamed everyone for the failure of this country to achieve certain level of development except themselves. And the group of people at the receiving end most times are the youth. We've been blamed for not speaking up. When we speak up, they accuse us of lacking experience. And when we decide that faith should do justice to the desire we have in mind for the greatness of this country, they call us lazy youth. Now, come to think of it. What has our leaders been able to do for the development of this country to show that they are not actually the ones that are lazy when compared to what their counterparts are doing across the world? Our leaders go about every function complaining and sleeping. I'm talking about people who don't know the difference between bedrooms and offices here. I mean, they can sleep anywhere. When reasonable leaders and visionary leaders are busy discussing and deliberating upon matters that can better the lives of their citizens and their country in general, at that same function, our leaders will be busy sleeping, only for them to suddenly wake up to sign a document they don't understand or shout "I support" just the way they do in the National Assembly. Everywhere they are discussing matter of importance, our leaders are busy sleeping. Abeg, dem get sleeping sickness. Our problem, our success dey cause sleeping sickness for them. Make una help us ask them this question. In the National Assembly, they are sleeping. Federal Executive Council meeting, they are sleeping. House of Rep, they are sleeping. Security Council meeting, they are sleeping. In the court, they are sleeping. Wetin be the problem of these sleeping leaders, for crying out loud? Go to the National Assembly, for instance, on days when they are discussing when they are deliberating on bills that can better the lives of Nigerians. You see a lot of vacant seats. The few ones that are around, majority of them will be displaying their uncultured nature by making all sort of noise that is not expected from them, while the ones that are not making noise will be busy sleeping. How can Nigeria move forward? How can Nigeria develop with this association of sleeping leaders? These are some of the questions we need to ask ourselves. Whenever they want to share money, or they want to increase their bonuses and salaries, you see that all the seats, taking National Assembly for example, all the seats will be filled up, all of them will be chanting, talking here and there, none of them will fall asleep. But talk about the educational bill, for instance, talk about infrastructure, talk about security, you see most of them sleeping, making all sort of jest in the National Assembly. How will Nigeria grow? How can we grow with this kind of association of sleeping leaders? These are some of the questions we need to ask ourselves, and I want you all to tell me what you feel in the comment section. Please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to share with friends. Until we meet again next time, I remain the grandson of all ancestors. Bye for now.